Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I DIY'd a wall mirror using popsicle sticks. I picked up this mirror from Hobby Lobby. It was half price, it was only $10, and I glued the popsicle sticks around the edge, making sure I did this evenly using my hot glue gun. I'm going for the ombre effect, so I'm starting with these navy colored gems that I picked up from Dollar Tree. They were only $1 and it only took one pat. Next, I'm taking these medium blue gems that I picked up from Hobby Lobby and I'm placing them in the middle. And the whole pack of these gems was $3.49. Again, that's very reasonable. I'm finishing off with these light turquoise tealish looking beads that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I noticed a lot of excess glue string, so I'm taking this toothbrush and I'm gently removing those strings. This is the finished look. I love how it turned out. Not only was this project fun to do, but it was inexpensive. I spent less than $20. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.